Now, here's something smart a lot of people don't know about. Get an alarm installed on that tank. They're not expensive, and they'll warn you when the tank's filling up too much or when something goes sideways. Some of them beep, some flash a light, and the fancier ones even text your phone. How does it work? There's a little float inside the tank that rises as the water level goes up. When it hits the danger zone, it trips the alarm. That's your sign to stop using water and call someone before it gets worse. If that alarm ever goes off, don't wait around. Stop flushing, stop draining, and call in a pro. Even if you were the one who put the system in, trust me, when it's acting up, it's better to let someone who knows what they're doing take a look. A lot of folks get caught off guard because they use more water than the system can handle. Over time, that builds up and, boom, overflow, backups, nasty business. Once it's fixed, the alarm shuts off and you're back in business. Want more smart tips like this? Click the link below and grab your free septic care guide. It'll walk you through everything you need to know to stay ahead of problems before they start.